In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default font style in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make Chrome feel more comfortable, more readable, and more customized to your preference. Whether you want a cleaner look, a more professional style, or just a font that's easier on your eyes, this tutorial will walk you through everything. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can control many parts of the browser's appearance and behavior. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu with different categories. Click Appearance. This is where Chrome keeps the visual customization options, including themes, fonts, and display settings. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Customize Fonts. Click on that to open the Font Customization panel. Here, you can change Chrome's default font settings for different types of text. You'll see several font categories including standard font, serif font, sans-serif font, and fixed width font. To change any of these, simply click the drop-down menu next to the font type you want to edit. A list of available fonts will appear. From there, choose the font style you prefer. For example, you might select Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri, or Verdana, depending on the look you want. You can mix and match the fonts until everything looks the way you like. As soon as you make a selection, Chrome applies the change immediately, so there's no extra save button needed. If you want a more consistent look across the browser, you can adjust all 4 font categories one by one. That way, the web pages you visit will display text in a style that better matches your preference. If you ever want to go back and change things again later, you can return to the same customized font section and update the settings anytime. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the default font style in Google Chrome. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.